my dear students, one important thing, clothing and heat absorption. इस थोड़ा ध्यान देना. You have seen the cricket game? Yes. In the ground, for test cricket, those cricket is playing at tests for 4 to 5 days. Test cricket. Regularly, this player will come in the ground in the morning, and up to this play will go continue up to the evening, and in between certain break is there, certain rest is there, like this. But there you can find the cricket players have been wearing white dresses. Why? But in one day cricket match, or you can see the 2020 cricket match, they have been utilizing or wearing the colorful dresses. For a long time, they need white dress. Why? That affect their body temperature. Yes, you know, because they are playing in open air. Sun rays are there, radiation is there. How they should protect themselves? Yes, you know. So there is certain effects. कुछ तो effect है बेटा. The color of clothing can impact heat absorption and emission. Light colored clothes absorb less heat and keep us cool in hot weather. Most important. While dark colored clothes absorb and emit more heat, keeping us warm in cold weather. This is the system. And so, my dear students, always remember these things. And you please wear this type of clothes either in winter or in summer, where, when and how to utilize different color clothes as we have studied from our science. It will much more helpful for you. Please keep it inside your mind. Okay. Next, clothing and heat absorption में woolen clothes with trapped air act as insulators to keep us warm during winters. These notes provide a comprehensive understanding of heat, temperature measurement, heat transfer mechanism, etc. जैसे woolen clothes से क्या होता है बेटा? Winter season में we have been wearing certain woolen clothes. Yes or no? And also on the bed we have certain blankets that is also made up of wools. Yes or no? How it helps us? It helps to protect us and keep us warm. So, the effect of clothing, because that absorption heat is there, so it helps a lot for us. Am I clear? Next, my dear students, the changes in an object caused by heat can be reversible or irreversible. कैसे होता है? These are changes that can be undergone. The object can go back to its original form. Reversible means, if I am telling you, ice is there. Ice में we put heat डाल दिया, the ice cube will convert into normal water. Then that normal water, if we minus the heat, or we put that water in minus certain degree Celsius in the refrigerator special ice chamber, again that will convert it to the ice cube from water. Ice था, water बन गया, water था, फिर ice बन गया. So that is called the reversible process. That means it can be changed from ice to water, water to ice. That process is called reversible. Irreversible बेटा चेंज नहीं होगा. जो हो गया तो हो गया. एक बार हो गया तो दोबारा चेंज नहीं. So these are changes that can't be undergone. The object completely changes or becomes another substance. Am I clear? आग. You just bring one wood, piece of wood. आग लगा दिया, वो जल गया बेटा. नहीं, 1 घंटे के बाद रोना शुरू करे. मेरा पीस ऑफ वुड, माई वुडन बैट, पापा ने आग लगा दिया, तो क्या होगा? That will again can't come back just like a piece of wood or your older bat. Why? That is irreversible process. It can't be reversed. Am I clear? So there are certain objects that changes their what? Nature, posture, texture by means of applying heat again and again. Maybe addition of heat or maybe removed of heat. That is called as your what? That is called as your reversible process. And those can change, that is called as irreversible process. Example of reversible changes is see water liquid, then cooling it will come to the water liquid, will come to the steam gas. गैस हो जाएगा, फिर उसको कूल करो, फिर अगेन इट विल कम बैक टू नॉर्मल वाटर. ओके. द नेक्स्ट ice cube, go for heating, come to the normal water liquid, again go for cooling, minus the heat, then it will become also ice cube. These are the systems. Example of irreversible change. If just apply of the heating, cooking a beef patty, बना लिया हमने, और मैदा या कुछ भी उसको डाल पे कैज्यू कुछ भी कुछ या शुगर सब कुछ डाला इकट्ठे बना लिया। बनाने के बाद क्या हुआ, ये जो भी कुछ बन लिया वो बनने के बाद फिर दोबारा ये वापस नहीं पाए। You can't find sugar from here, you can't find anything that is added here, that is called as a beef patty. You can't. This is called irreversible. चावल मम्मी ने डाल दिया, that converted into what? खाना पकाने के चावल बनाने के लिए मम्मी ने चावल पट के अंदर डाल दिया, गर्म पानी, टुट हो चावल बन गया। फिर आप सोचें कि उसको फिर पहले जैसे था ना, the rice grain converted into eatable rice, yes or no, normal rice बन गया। तो जो राइस eatable rice, it can't again come back to the rice grain, नहीं बन सकता है। फ्लोर है ना, पानी लगा के मम्मी ने उसको ऐसे ऐसे करके डफ बना दिया, फ्लोर डफ, रोटी बनता है इसमें। तो अगेन इट विल नॉट कम बैक योर ड्राई फ्लोर, अट्टा नहीं हो पा, अट्टा से रोटी बन गया। दैट इज इरिवर्सिबल। एम आई क्लियर? दीज आर सर्टेन एग्जाम्पल्स माय डियर। दिस इरिवर्सिबल चेंज। वो एक अंडा, वो अंडा तो बन गया, इधर ऑमलेट हो गया या पुच बन गया, कुछ बोलो, अंडा पुच। तो ये पहले जैसे था ना वो अंडा नहीं बनेगा बेटा। irreversible process, it is not a reversible process. Am I clear? So these are certain reversible and irreversible process, my dear. And so my dear students, it is my sincere request, you please go through all these things so nicely at your home and practice again and again, बार बार उसको practice करना। From our audio learning, so nicely we have given all these informations to colorize it, सुंदर करके बेटा, इतना कलरफुल करके आपके सामने हमने रखा। You all have been watching it and also have been sending all these materials directly to you, and that is also with you. Please go through so nicely. It is colorful, important notes are there, important points are there, important picture related to the notes are there. इसको बार बार पढ़ाई करना, and another most important लिखना भी, writing and also reading and also visualizing, तीन चीज़ जरूरी। पहले तो विजुअलाइज करो, पढ़ाई करो क्या लिखा है, पढ़ाई करने के साथ साथ भी विजुअलाइज देखो, और तीसरा चीज़ ये होता है क्या करना, उसको प्रैक्टिस करना, राइटिंग करना, बार बार लिखो, तब जाके करेक्ट स्पेलिंग प्रैक्टिस, वर्ड प्रैक्टिस, स्पीड प्रैक्टिस, ये सब सही तरह हो जाएगा, अच्छा से हो जाएगा। देन यू कैन गेट फुल मार्क इन योर एग्जामिनेशन। माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, now after completion of the entire topic about the heat we have discussed so nicely, now we'll discuss about certain exercises that is related to this what your topic that is called as heat. Am I clear? So first of all, सीखने के लिए क्या मिला ये टॉपिक से हमको, क्यों ये टॉपिक के बारे में हम सोचें, क्यों ये टॉपिक के बारे में चर्चा हुआ, क्यों ये टॉपिक के बारे में हम पढ़ाई करें घर में जाके, फिर क्यों ये टॉपिक के बारे में हम प्रैक्टिस करें। Our sense of touch is not always a reliable guide to the degree of hotness of an object. Temperature is measure of the degree of hotness an object. Thermometer is a device, is used for what purposes, my dear? Thermometer is a device which utilized, okay, for the purpose. For what purpose, my dear? And for what? Degree of hotness of an object. Thermometer is a device used for measuring temperature. Okay, we have already studied. Clinical thermometer is used to measure our body temperature. We have already discussed. The range of this thermometer is from 35 degree Celsius to 42 degree Celsius. याद रखना, this is also a multiple choice fill in the blank question. Okay. We use laboratory thermometer. The range of this thermometer is usually from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. This is laboratory thermometer. And for the clinical thermometer, 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degree Celsius. Okay. You have to remember, the heat flows from a body at a higher temperature to a body at a lower temperature. We have already studied. There are three ways in which the heat can flow. बताओ, अभी बोर्ड मत दिखो, अभी बताओ. Three mechanism. Conduction, okay, good. Next, convection, very good. And the last one is radiation. Excellent. That's like Odeon learning student. Good. Keep it up. Next. In solids generally the heat is transferred by conduction. Solid में किस होता है बेटा? Types of heat transferred by conduction. In liquids and gases, I have already told you this is convection. And no medium is required for transfer by radiation. Radiation में कोई medium का जरूरत नहीं बेटा. Directly by means of that, what, tell me? Electromagnetic wave. I have already discussed electromagnetic wave. The materials which flow heat to pass through them easily are conductors of heat. जहाँ पे heat एक से दूसरे तक चले जाता है बेटा, ट्रांसफर सकता है, they are the conductors. जहाँ पे नहीं होता है, I have told you the opposite of conductor, insulator. Okay. The materials which do not allow heat to pass through them easily are called insulators. I have already told you. Dark colored objects absorb more than the light colored objects. That is reason we feel more comfortable in light colored clothes in the summer. So that's why in summer we have been utilizing white colored dress. That's why the cricketer had been utilizing white colored dress, because they are exposing their body to sun ray, the entire outdoor, where directly the sun ray coming through radiation. So they have been wearing what? White dress. Woolen clothes keep us warm during winter. It is so because wool is a poor conductor of heat and is air trapped in between the fibers. This is the things that we have already discussed here. Okay, my dear. Next, we'll go for certain in-text question answer exercises, and then the long type questions test similarity and difference between the laboratory thermometer and the clinical thermometer. Okay, give two examples of each of conductors and insulators. We have already studied it. And चले 2 नंबर क्वेश्चन थोड़ा पूछ लेते हैं. I have already discussed it. 2 examples. कंडक्टर का 2 एग्जाम्पल दो, इंसुलेटर का 2 एग्जाम्पल दो. कंडक्टर जो कंडक्ट करता है, जिसमें हीट पास हो सकता है, इंसुलेटर में पास नहीं हो सकता है. बताओ. हाँ दीपुन बोल, क्या बोला? Oh, very good. Iron and aluminium, good. Iron and aluminium are the 2 conductors of heat or electricity. We are discussing about heat. Okay, not electricity is there as a very good chapter, but now we are discussing heat, because heat is a form of energy, electricity is also a form of energy. No issue. We'll discuss about electricity later on. And insulator, I have told you, मम्मी ने जो खाना पकाते, हाँ हैंडल होता है ना इसमें, वुड, गुड. वुड बोला और क्या बोला? प्लास्टिक. वेरी गुड. Plastic and wood are the 2 examples of insulators. Then we'll go for the fill in the blanks. The hotness of an object is determined by its dash. कोई चीज़ hot है तो कैसे पता चलता है? By means of its temperature. Okay, good. Temperature, good. Next, temperature of boiling water cannot be measured by dash thermometer. Boiled water, पानी, chemical, कौन सा थर्मोमीटर ये मेजर नहीं हो सकता है? क्लिनिकल थर्मोमीटर. इनके लिए कौन सा थर्मोमीटर चाहिए? लैबोरेटरी थर्मोमीटर. You should know. Good. See, temperature is measured in degree Celsius. Degree Celsius. No medium is required for transfer of heat by the process of. कौन सा प्रोसेस में मीडियम का जरूरत नहीं? रेडिएशन. रेडिएशन. ओके. नेक्स्ट, A cold steel spoon is dipped in a cup of hot milk. Heat is transferred to its other end by the process of. कैसे? बताओ 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 बताओ, जल्दी बताओ. दोबारा ये क्वेश्चन. ए कोल्ड स्टील स्पून दैट इज ए मेटल इज डिप्ड इन ए कप ऑफ हॉट मिल्क. गर्म दूध के अंदर हमने डाला, जिस कप के अंदर गर्म दूध था. हीट ट्रांसफर टू द अदर एंड ऑफ द प्रोसेस. कौन सा प्रोसेस? देयर आर 3 प्रोसेस. वन इज कंडक्शन, अनदर इज कन्वेक्शन एंड अनदर इज रेडिएशन. बट हियर हाउ, व्हिच मैकेनिज्म विल बी अप्लाई? गुड, सीमा ने बोला ना. सीमा इज गिविंग वेरी गुड आंसर. कंडक्शन. ओके, कंडक्शन यहीं पे लिख देती हूँ. कंडक्शन. नेक्स्ट लास्ट. क्लॉथेस ऑफ डैश कलर एब्जॉर्ब मोर हीट बेटर देन क्लॉथेस ऑफ लाइट कलर्स. ऑपोजिट. लाइट का ऑपोजिट क्या होता है? डार्क. यहीं पे लाइट लिखा हुआ तो यहीं पे क्या होगा? डार्क होगा. चले थोड़ा मैच करें, ए के साथ बी को मैच करें. लैंड ब्रीज ब्लोज ड्यूरिंग डैश. ब्रीज मीन्स जो आपका एयर होता है ना, लैंड के ऊपर जो एयर होता है, ब्रीज. फॉरवन. तो बताओ क्या होगा? लैंड ब्रीज ब्लोज ड्यूरिंग नाइट. रात को होता है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट. सी ब्रीज ब्लोज ड्यूरिंग, क्या होगा? डे. ऑपोजिट. डे. ये डी में आएगा, ये सी में आएगा. डार्क कलर क्लॉथेस आर प्रिफर्ड ड्यूरिंग. डार्क कलर क्लॉथेस आर प्रिफरिंग ड्यूरिंग कब? विंटर या समर? बताओ. डार्क कलर्ड क्लॉथेस आर प्रिफर्ड इन विंटर. लाइट कलर्ड क्लॉथेस आर प्रिफर्ड ड्यूरिंग समर. क्योंकि धूप में वाइट कलर्ड क्लॉथेस वी हैव बीन यूटिलाइजिंग. You should know that is there. Next we'll go for the further question answer. Now my dear students, we'll proceed for the next question. Our exercise question number 5. Discuss why wearing more layers of clothing during winter keeps us warmer than wearing just one thick piece of clothing. Okay, this is a long type question answer. Okay, I will send you the notes. And next most important is, look at the figure 3.13 is most important question, my dear. Mark where the heat is being transferred by conduction, by convection and by radiation. There are 3 mode of transfer of heat or 3 mechanisms. So this is a process. Here we'll just maintain where conduction is going on, where convection is going on and where radiation is going on. Okay, first of all you please tell me, look at the picture. कंडक्शन. कंडक्शन कहाँ पे होता है? कंडक्शन आपको बताई थी. हीट, यहीं पे तो हीट आ गया बेटा. आग लगा हुआ इधर. बुनसेन बर्नर, गैस इज फ्लोइंग, लाइट इज देयर और हीट इज देयर और आग इज देयर, जो भी कुछ बोलो. नेक्स्ट, ये जो पट है ना आपका, ये जो यूटेंसिल, ये नीचे तो आ गई तो हॉट शुरू हो जाएगा. यहीं पे हीट, पहले हीट होगा, धीरे धीरे द एंटायर हीट will be transferred to the body of the pot, the basins. Am I clear? So here the heat we can say it is by means of conduction, because it is a solid, because the material, it is made of certain metal, so it is a solid. So conduction occur in solid. I have already told the medium is called as the solid, SOLID, solid. Then हम सोचेंगे about the convection. कन्वेक्शन में क्या होगा? इसमें जो पानी है, इसके अंदर जो पानी है, इनसाइड दैट व्हाट टेम्परेचर विल बी राइज. द फ्लो ऑफ टेम्परेचर, द एंटायर मॉलिक्यूल्स पानी में जो था, तो क्या करे, धीरे धीरे वही जो मॉलिक्यूल्स है ये सारा हट होने के बाद तो जो आपका हैंडल है और जो भी कुछ है ना, ये चारों तरफ फिर हीट फ्लो हो जाएगा. तो अंदर इनसाइड लिक्विड्स आर देयर, फ्लूइड्स आर देयर, एंड दैट आल्सो हेल्प्स द एंटायर pot to become more hot. Yes or no? So here it is by means of, you can say that, convection. Conduction तो हो गया था बेटा, we have done it is conduction, now it is convection. And radiation heat कहाँ से आया? जहाँ पे यहीं पे आग लगी, it radiate and automatically by electromagnetic wave heat from, ये जो आग लगी ना इसमें हीट आ जाता है किधर? पट के नीचे. The heat transfer by means of radiation. Here it is called as your radiation. Okay. Next we'll go for the question answer, my dear. Please look at the board, and this is the last page of our question answer. Okay, this is question number 9. An iron ball, okay, an iron ball at 40 degrees Celsius is dropped in a mug containing water at 40 degrees Celsius. The heat will be iron ball 40 degree. टेम्परेचर कितना है? 40 डिग्री. एक मग के अंदर वाटर था, पानी है, उनका भी 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस है टेम्परेचर. द हीट विल बी व्हाट? क्या होगा? आई हैव टोल्ड यू, इफ वन हीट ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम वन ऑब्जेक्ट टू अनदर ऑब्जेक्ट, फ्रॉम हॉट रीजन टू कोल्ड रीजन, अप टू, कब तक होगा? जब तक दोनों ऑब्जेक्ट का हीट इक्वल हो जाए. हम आई क्लियर? इक्वल होने से क्या होगा? इक्वल होने के बाद और हीट ट्रांसफर नहीं होता है बेटा, हीट ट्रांसफर नहीं होता है. तो इसमें क्या होगा हल? क्या होगा बताओ? An iron ball at 40 degrees Celsius is dropped in a mug containing water at 40 degrees Celsius. The heat will be flow from iron ball to water, not flow from iron ball to water or from water to iron ball. Flow from water to iron ball increase the temperature of both. बताओ क्या होगा? कुछ होगा? बताओ कुछ होगा कि नहीं? कुछ नहीं होगा, अभी कुछ नहीं होगा. द आयरन बल ये तो 40 डिग्री है, तो पानी का भी तो 40 डिग्री है. आपको डायग्राम के जरिए ये समझा देने अच्छा रहेगा. देखो आप समझ जाओ बेटा इसमें से. दिस इज द बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल. इसके अंदर पानी है, दिस इज 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस. दिस इज एन आयरन बॉल, ये आयरन का बॉल है, ये भी 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस. ये आई तो गिरा इधर, पानी के अंदर गिरा, तो व्हाट विल हैपन? दिस इज 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस. पानी का जो हीटिंग है ना, दैट इज ऑल्सो 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस. आई हैव टोल्ड यू, क्या बोला? व्हेन द बोथ द ऑब्जेक्ट हैव इक्वल टेम्परेचर, देन देयर इज नो मोर ट्रांसफर ऑफ हीट, और हीट का ट्रांसफर नहीं होगा. So, which is the correct answer? Number B. Not flow from iron ball to water. Iron ball to water heat flow नहीं होगा, और from water to iron ball, water to iron ball के ऊपर भी heat flow नहीं होगा, because equal, it is 40 degree Celsius and it is also 40 degree Celsius. Next question, number 10. A wooden spoon is dipped in a cup of ice cream. Its other end, what will happen? A wooden spoon is dipped in a cup of ice cream. Its other end becomes cold by the process of conduction, becomes cold by the process of convection, becomes cold by the process of radiation, doesn't become cold. Just see one thing. I am just putting one diagram here, very small diagram. Dipped in a cup of ice cream. This is an ice cream cup. ये कप के अंदर आइसक्रीम है. What will have to do? A wooden spoon. That is a spoon but made up of wood. Wood में बना हुआ. Okay, ये स्पून हमने डाला इधर. Becomes cold by the process of conduction. ये कोल्ड हो जाएगा कंडक्शन के जरिए. Becomes cold by process of convection. Becomes cold by the process radiation. Never, because radiation heat transfer by the electromagnetic wave. There is no system of flow of electromagnetic wave. And conduction occurs in solid. Here there is no solid. The process of convection occurs in fluid or gas. And another one thing, a wooden spoon. The spoon is made up of wood. What we have studied? क्या बात हुआ था? Wooden is a poor conductor of heat. इसमें heat transfer नहीं होगा बेटा, कभी नहीं होगा, because that is a poor conductor. Indirectly we can say wood is not a conductor, that is an insulator. So heat कैसे conduct होगा? तो कुछ नहीं होगा. तो क्या होगा? D वाला होगा. D में क्या लिखा हुआ? Doesn't become cold. कंडक्शन नहीं होगा, कन्वेक्शन नहीं होगा, रेडिएशन भी नहीं होगा. नेक्स्ट, द लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस टॉपिक, हीट. स्टेनलेस स्टील पैन्स आर यूजुअली प्रोवाइडेड विथ कॉपर बॉटम्स. द रीजन फॉर दिस कुड बी सिल्वर पैन. घर में जो पैन है ना, मामा खाना पकाते हैं रसोई में, इट हेल्प्स अस. जैसे नीचे क्या लगा हुआ आपको पता है? कब जाके देखो आज घर में क्या लगा हुआ? कॉपर नीचे लगा हुआ. क्यों? द रीजन फॉर दिस कुड बी व्हाट? कॉपर बटन मेक्स द पैन मोर ड्यूरेबल. ज़्यादा देर तक वो क्या होगा? क्या होगा? ड्यूरेबल मीन्स लॉन्ग रन, ज़्यादा देर तक इसमें हम उसको यूज कर सकते हैं बेटा, ठीक है ना. नेक्स्ट, सच पेन्स अपीयर कलरफुल, दिखने के लिए बहुत ही सुंदर, रंगीन. नंबर सी, कॉपर इज ए बेटर कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट देन द स्टेनलेस स्टील. स्टील से कंपैरेटिवली कॉपर अच्छा कंडक्टर होता है. नेक्स्ट, कॉपर इज इजियर टू क्लीन देन द स्टेनलेस स्टील. नंबर सी इज करेक्ट. कॉपर इज बेटर कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट देन द स्टेनलेस स्टील. Copper is a better conductor of heat than the stainless steel. Am I clear? So these all are the exercise related question answer for this topic. But my dear students, we have done certain fill in the blanks, true, false, and short question answer. And all the long question answer I will send you in the group. My dear students, whatever we have studied today, आज जो भी कुछ हमने पढ़ाई किया, जो भी कुछ डिस्कस किया, जितना सारा चीज़ हमने लिखाई किया क्लास के अंदर, और मैंने भी सब कुछ, एवरीथिंग आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड so nicely related to our Orion learning platform, my dear. Everything with excellent colorful picturization, excellent notes, and as a science teacher, so nicely also I have explained everything in front of you. If you have any doubt, my dear, further you please note down it. In the next class, you please ask me all the question and anything you have certain doubts in this topic, my dear. And another sincere request from my side, always practice at home. Okay? Please go through all the notes, please check all the pictures with the notes, as well as please write down all the notes in your copies and show me, and please ask me any doubt if further you have. अगले क्लास में मुझे पूछ लेना चाहिए बेटा, डरना मना है. And in this Orion learning platform also very soon we are there to provide you the live classes. It will also help a lot for you. Thank you, my dear. Thank you for your valuable cooperations. Thank you for the day. God bless you everybody. Thanks all. Bye.